Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve x plus 8 square is equals to 64 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start. If you want to try, you can pause the video and check your answer at the end of the video. Now x plus 8 square is equals to 64. I can write it as 8 times 8 or 8 square. Now, if I'll take square root both sides, if we'll take square root, we have to write plus minus. Now, with the help of the square root eliminates. So, x plus 8 is equals to plus minus 8. So, case 1 is when is equals to 8 is positive, and case second is when is equals to 8 is minus 8. So, x is equals to 8 minus 8. X is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 8. This plus 8 goes to other side minus 8. X is equals to minus 16. These are the two values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any query related to math, you please comment down below. I will try to solve it for you. Thank you so much.